Hi everyone. So I bought myself a wax seal stamp, and I want to show everyone when I open it what it looks like. But I also got these silicone mats so that when I make the stamps I can put them on it and then take it off easily when they're ready, and not have to worry about it sticking to anything. So I got these on Amazon, and let's just see how they are. I might just cut it just to a small piece like this, because I really don't need this whole thing unless I make a bunch of them at a time. And then one of you, I think it was Stacy, had gotten them from Dollar Tree, and I was like, oh no, I had no idea. And I spent $9.99 on two of these, and they have it there. I mean, I never really seen them there, but I wasn't looking either. So that kind of bummed me out when I found that out. But what are you going to do? So these will be good for the wax seals, and they're, it's like a frost color. And I think I'll just cut them down just a little bit, because I don't need this whole thing. And you know how wax is. It takes forever to melt, so I can't see myself making tons at a time. I might get very impatient with that. As my friend Michelle knows, I go quick with everything. So I just wanted to show you that quick. And then I picked up some of these stamps. So they, on Amazon they have these stamps. You can get 6 stamps for like $20-something, right? Do I do that? No. I get the individual ones for like almost $10 a piece. And I'm going to tell you why. That's very stupid of me. But the ones they were selling in a set, it's like I liked one, and I didn't want the rest of them, so I just got them individually. Now this one, I don't know if you can tell, is a tiger. That's a tiger. His face, body, and then the tail right here. Because I'm doing that safari journal or animal journal. I don't even know what to call it. And I thought that would make a cute little stamp for that. I saw this really intricate one once. I think it was a bird cage, and it had all these like flourishes around it. It was beautiful. I don't know where I was or where I seen it, and I tried looking for it now. I can't find it. This was probably about a year ago too. And it's so funny. I did that giveaway on the wax seal kit, and I didn't even get one for myself. So I said, now I want to, so I did. Oh, these are my mushrooms. Aren't they cute? The 3 little mushrooms. So I had about 10 or 15 stamps in my cart, and I said, you know what? Cut it out. I said, right now I don't need any Christmas or Halloween or anything like that. Let's just get a few that we like now, and then every month I can pick up one. How about that? That way the bill's not $100, and I can just, buy one a month. A little bit more sensible. So I deleted a lot of them. This was the butterfly. These are from Craftspire. They seem to have nice ones. So that's the butterfly. Oh, maybe you can see the tiger better if I do that. Let's see. Focus. That's the tiger. So you see it better. All right. And I think I got one more. No, I guess not. So then now I'll show you the wax kit. There's so many different wax kits. I don't know what I wanted. And I couldn't. The one I gave for the giveaway, I had that one in my cart, and I had a few others in my cart. I was going crazy. So I'll just show you the one I did get. It's got these waxy wax things, and it comes with glitter. And it comes with, I was going to get one that didn't even have the envelopes, because I don't want the envelopes. I'm not going to use it for that. Maybe I'll use the envelope for something else. You know, it comes with the Tree of Life. Comes with the Tree of Life. And, you know, you get the silver and gold pen, marker. You get the little spoon. You get the tea lights. I think I was sold on this one because of this warmer base. I kind of liked this a little bit better than the whole ones. I felt like the tea light would be easier to just put there. And I was seeing the reviews and some of them caught fire. Not these, the other ones. So I was like, well, that's why I ended up getting this one. Because I had the other one in my cart. And then I was like, well, it's going to be easier to slide the light in and out. And then I don't have to worry about that so much. So that's why I got this one. And then, you know, they give you the ribbons here for when you do the wax seals. You can do the seal with the 2 ribbons coming down. I don't know if I'll use them for that. I might. I don't know. And this is just always good to have. And then, of course, you know, they give you the envelopes. Now, let me see if these envelopes are like the ones that were in my giveaway. They might be just as good. I don't know. Let's see. I'll check them out and see. But I can always use these for other things, too. I can put them in journals. So, you know. Let me see. Nah, they're about the same. You know, you get a green shimmer, a gold shimmer, a gray, a pink, a red. To be honest, I think this is navy. Ooh, I like this one. This is like a, I don't know, kind of bronzy. A white and like an orangey one. So yeah, these I probably will use in my journals most likely. I probably cut it and I could probably make 2 pockets out of this, not just use it for an envelope, but maybe some pockets. I'll figure out a way to use them, but I'm definitely not going to use them for what they're intended for, because to me, you're going to do this, you're going to put the wax seal on it, and then somebody's going to open it, it's going to break. I don't want, like, you might as well just make some and keep them aside and do them as giveaway. You can do them as giveaways and like the embellishment boxes. Put a few in there. Put some on your projects. To me, that just makes a lot more sense than doing that and then having someone rip it open. So that's what I got. So we'll play with these. One day soon, I'll take out. Well, I'll probably only make a few because it takes so long for that wax to melt. I'm not gonna put you through that. I'll probably just make one or 2. And we'll see how it does. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.